Dear Sahra, July 9th, 2017 changed my life forever. The day I met you. I am so thankful and blessed that God put you in my life. I could have never imagined in my wildest dreams meeting someone as perfect as you. You are my rock and foundation, my everything. I promise to be your faithful, honest, and loving husband, to always be there for you even during the tough times, to always be your best friend and confidant, to grow old with you and be the cool parents and grandparents. I promise to always communicate, and if I ever forget, just remind me of what Larry told us. Communication is key. I vow to love and to cherish you through it all until I take my last breath on this side of eternity. Mahatma Gandhi said it best. Where there is love, there is life. You give me life, Sahra Magdi Eldali.
Papa?
Oh, my Lord.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Habibi.
You look so cute.
I don't know what to say.
Oh.
It's so beautiful. I love you so much. You still look beautiful.
Thank you. Since I was born, how old am I?
I can read it.
Is a crooked line. We may never get up next time. We'll sing its song.
We're gonna be a mess walking down the aisle. I know that, right?
We carry on, carry on till the morning comes. Carry on till the morning sun. We carry
Jeffrey, it is here. The day I wasn't sure what even happened for me. I will never forget the moment you came into my life. Just completely unexpected, but you're magical. I knew something was different with you. Years before I met you, I prayed every night for God to put someone like you in my life. I prayed for a man to make me feel beautiful. A man that loved me authentically for me, flaws and all. I prayed for a man that I could feel at home with. Jeffrey, you are that and so much more.
Because today, I see her eyes wide open from the happiness. Her heart flying out there from so happy she is. And most important, she got the warm hand surround her and keep her as long as she can be happy. And I wish you both the happiness there is.
You are my rock when I feel weak. You are my love when I feel down. You are my protector when I am uneasy. Most importantly, you are my home. You are my one true love. I've waited not only the past few years for you, but my entire life. I vow to always be patient when times may get rough. I vow to support you, always with any adventure that comes our way. I vow most of all to love you with every inch of my soul until the day I die.
You are just amazing. You're so motivated. You're so creative. And I just can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. If you laugh, you think, and you cry, that's a full day. That's a heck of a day. You do that 7 days a week, you're gonna have something special. So this was one heck of a day, and I hope these heck of a days continue. And I know they will, being next to you.
P.S. I love you.
I love you.